Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute little dog. First, I'm going to draw the outline of the head and the body, and then I'm going to draw the shape of the ears on both sides of the head, and then I'm going to draw a cross. It is convenient to find the exact position of the eyes and the nose and then use the lines to distinguish the deep light hair on the face and the body. The eyes are actually very simple to create from the eyes. The rest of the black is roughly done. The left eye is also the same way of painting. Take out the paper brush and rub the heavy part evenly. So the eyes are done, as it particularly simple to add color to the nose and the nose to give it a high light and a strong sense of volume. Draw the chin and the overall color hair on a piece of sculpture and pay attention to the strength and try to control it as much as possible. Add a color and bring out a few heavy hair. This will make the hair look more vivid. The makeup egg wipes the entire color area. The effect of this step is to unify the color of the dark part to make the picture look more authentic. Finally, start the fine-tuning and add the light hair around the eyes and other places to make the hair look more vivid. The hair around the nose can be expressed in gray so that the light hair can be extracted with the eraser, and the body part is also the same pattern. Add heavy hair and light hair extracted with the eraser, and finally to the overall adjustment part. We can add the hair of the eyebrows again so that his eyes will look deeper and more realistic. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. Remember to like and subscribe.